guys here, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, this is the final result. I never really come on camera and do an after as the intro, but in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a full transformation, or like a glow up transformation. Basically, I just did my makeup on camera, but I also did my hair, which I never really do on camera, so it was just like a whole little thing. So I guess if you guys want to see my full glam transformation, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I was just like, let's do my hair. So like, obviously as you guys see in the intro, I was already like done up or whatever, so this is just gonna be, I'm sweaty, a full get ready with me. So I just have to do my hair. I already did my edges off camera, just because that's like a whole other thing that I even don't even want to get into. But I am going to do my hair. So I usually just put on a scarf just to like lay my edges. If you guys don't know, like, it's just better to put on a scarf to lay your edges. My sister didn't know that, so then I told her and she was like, life-changing, wow, amazing. I'm just kidding, but she was just like, yeah. So just in case you guys didn't know that, yeah. So I'm gonna take the scarf off, and I think I might just do the normal, what I usually do, half up, half down. Maybe I might do something different, but I just have to see how I'm feeling. And then with these crochets, they like, I don't know, they like shed a lot or something. So I just be running my fingers through, not shed a lot, but like there's always like hair that's stuck together. So I just like run my fingers through it just to untangle everything. I want to redo my hair soon, so if these little like blonde pieces don't look as curly as they should, it'll be fixed soon. After I take my hair out, I was thinking if I should do a video on like my natural hair. I might. I just am very insecure about lots of things, and my natural hair is like one of them. I really like it, but I just don't like it on me. Like on my face, I don't know how much I like it. So that's why it's like a struggle. I be getting real hot when I'm doing my hair because it's just so much. So I'm just gonna lay my edges a little bit more because sometimes they be coming up, you know. By the way, I feel like this Gorilla snot is the only thing that works for me. Like nothing else works for me. It's so annoying. So this is what I use. It's actually not that annoying because I got this from, I think it was like Big Lots or something, and this big thing was $3, and this will last me a super long time. Like, so I ain't even that mad about it. It's just the fact that like all the little like other aesthetic edge controls that people use, I can't use. And real quick, I'm just gonna put my scarf back on because I have to grab my stuff for my eyebrows and a little fan because I'm hot. It don't make noise, so don't even worry about it. I look crazy right now. So I'm just gonna put this on just to set it for a little bit. I might do my eyebrows with my scarf on just to make sure it's super set. Okay, for brows, I'm gonna try to do soap brows. Every time I try to do it, I kind of like mess it up. But I've been watching a lot of TikToks, and one day I was sitting in my bed and I was like, I feel like I can do this. Like, let me try again. And I tried again and it looked really good. And this was like yesterday. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna use this Dial soap and I'm just gonna spray it. And then I'm just gonna take a spoolie and just rub on the soap. And I'm gonna take like a little rag and just clean up around my brows, just so when I put on concealer and stuff, it doesn't like mix with around it and just like look all weird and nasty. Now I'm gonna fill them in to my desired look. Okay, it looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna try to conceal them a little bit thinner. They just look super thick, and like that's not really my vibe for today's look. So we gotta figure something out. Hold on. I decided that I'm keeping my headband on until I'm finished, and then like we can do the final reveal of like everything or whatever. So I did my eyebrows. They look great. I'm really happy with them. After I like concealed the top and bottom, I just put on like some brow gel, but I did it very lightly as to not disturb any of the hairs or disturb like the soap. And then I just sprayed prep and prime spray, and then still not touching anything, I like dried my eyebrows just to make sure they're like in place, and now they look like immaculate. Like I'm like really happy with them. So now we're gonna start on eyeshadow. I think I'm just gonna do like a brownish eye look with like a red undertone, obviously to match my shirt. I just kind of want to like do something I'm a little bit familiar with, an eyeshadow look that I know that I like, just because like this is a like a transformation, and I just want to like do something that I'm familiar with, that I know that I like how it looks on me and stuff like that. So every time I do it like a look, even if I think I know how to do it, it could still go wrong, especially like with the like way I've been feeling. I've been feeling very down and just like in a bad space, so I was like, let me just try to glow up a little bit, do some transforming into like a good, I don't know, just try to like put on some makeup, take some videos and stuff, some pictures. I don't know, I just wanted to do my makeup, and I really want to get back to posting on schedules. So yeah, so I primed my eyes, so now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I just grabbed the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette volume 2. I don't even know if I actually used this after I bought it. I bought it like a while ago, like when it first came out or whatever, so I'm like, let's just try it today, let's try it out. Okay, actually we're gonna take Certified. We're just gonna first pat that in the inner corner of the eye and also up to the brow. This is kind of like the light shade, so if you put like eyeshadow down first, it'll like blend nicely with the other shadows, but since the concealer is like no longer tacky, it won't really hold on to that color right there. So, and I don't want darker colors to get right here, I want it to be light. So as you guys seen in the intro, you guys kind of seen what look it was because I'm filming it at the end. So now I'm gonna take Perfectionist and put it in the middle and kind of do the same, like just back and forth blending motions. Perfectionist is more of like a pinky nude, but it's alright because my shirt, as you can see, kind of has like a red undertone to it, so it's all good. Now we're gonna take Love Handles. Now I'm gonna take Homebody and put that on the outer corner. Okay, this isn't brown at all, but it looks good with my shirt, so it's fine. Guys, if you hear birds like all the time in my videos, the cat's out of the bag. I meant to tell you guys in the beginning, but I am Cinderella. I have animals all in my room helping me get ready and stuff that you guys can't see. I didn't want to have to tell you guys this, but it's just like, it's the birds and the animals are too loud to not tell you guys. So the cat's out of the bag. Yeah, so no, but I like, my stuff is right in front of a window, so I have like my lights and then also like some natural lighting a little bit. But I don't know why the birds are so loud. Like, my window's closed and like they're still so loud. Like, I feel like they're like screaming. Like, keep it down. I don't know why it's so loud. Okay, now I'm gonna take G Money. Okay, and then I think for liner, I don't think I'm gonna do opening. I think I'm just gonna do what I usually do, like a lash liner, but kind of thick, and maybe blend out the liner into this. I'm gonna have to make this a little bit darker just so it blends like cohesively and it's not just like a big like bloop of like black. So yeah. Okay, so my beautiful eye look is done. I love this eye look so much, and I knew I was going to because this is like one of my favorite eye looks to do, like the little ombre thing. And it's really getting me back in high spirits. So now I'm gonna do my foundation. I always struggle with foundation. I don't know, it's just something about my skin is the weirdest texture. I'm just not good at it. So I'm gonna try to do my best. I'm gonna put on a good amount of primer to like cover up this skin and like hopefully it'll look good. I just like want it to look good, so like everything goes together, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it look good, I guess. Okay, so my makeup is pretty much done. I was just like finishing off camera just because once I did my foundation, which I think looks really good, which I'm pretty happy about, I was just like boom boom boom, like just getting everything done. I added some pearls on my eye. I'll do a close-up and show you guys later. I just added some NYX liquid suede lipstick in the shade Club Hopper, just like on the outside, and then like kind of worked away a little in the middle, just so kind of like that outline look a little bit. So now I'm gonna take off my scarf and just like bring everything all together, I guess. Always listen, always do your edges before foundation, because if you do it after, the foundation like mixes with the product, it wipes off foundation, it just looks a hot mess. So just always do your edges first, because it's just a catastrophe if you don't. Okay, so this is my finished transformation look. Basically I just did a like an eyeshadow look that I know that I usually like on myself, because when you're doing a transformation to try to like feel better or like raise your spirits, you don't really want to be trying like a whole bunch of new things, because then for me anyways, if I mess up I get like super anxious, super down. It's just like a whole cycle. So I just usually like to do a look that I know that I like the look of, or like a look that I know that I can do 100%. So that's kind of what this look was. I really like it. I feel pretty good about it. I'll do it closer because like I said, I added some pearls and it looks really nice. I'm really happy about my eyebrows, because especially this one, for some reason this one is like really fire, but like I can do soap brow now. I don't know what the difference was between now and last time, but there was a difference because I couldn't do it last time and I could now. So like I don't know, but like something happened in between those times where like something switched in my brain that was like, okay, I think I know how to do it now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. A thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep up with, why did I like switch up my outro? Let's go back to regular. So it makes sense, like it sounds like it flows. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. It will be on the screen right here, but it will also be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.